In this video, we are going to get your Google and Facebook accounts connected to our platform. This allows you to do a number of things. With Google, if you use a Google Calendar, you can sync your calendar with the online booking system here on our platform. It also allows you to connect Google Ad accounts, Google Analytics, and your Google Business Profile. If these items are connected to different Google accounts, you will want to repeat the following process for each Google account that you need connected. Our Facebook integration allows you to connect your Facebook page as well as your Facebook ad account. This allows any messages to your Facebook page to be pulled into the Conversations tab. It also allows you to connect Facebook lead forms from the ad platform to automatically bring new leads into your contact database. You can run automations such as follow-up and nurture messages to be sent to your leads automatically. Let's start with connecting Google. Navigate to the settings on the bottom left. From here, you will want to scroll down to Integrations. You will notice there are a number of integrations here, but the most important to focus on are the Google and Facebook integrations. Click Sign in with Google. This will open a new pop-up prompting you to sign in with your Google account. Select an already logged in account or enter your login details here. You will then see a prompt asking you to allow Lead Connector to access your Google account. Scroll to the bottom and select Allow. If this Google account is connected to a Google Business Profile, you will see a prompt asking you to select a business page to connect along with a checkbox that says Enable GMB Tracking. Select your Google Business page from the dropdown and then select Connect. If you leave Enable GMB Call Tracking checked, your default tracking number that we set up in the previous step will become the primary phone number on your Google Business Profile. Your existing number will be moved into a secondary position. This will have no bearing on your account or your Google rankings and will allow you to receive and track calls coming from people who find your business listed on Google. From your Google Business Profile, you will also want to enable messaging. Once you enable this from Google Business Profile, you will be able to enable it here as well. This allows people to message your Google Business page directly when they find your Google listing from their mobile device. These messages will also come into the Conversations tab here on our platform. If you wish to adjust any of these settings, you can click Change Settings under the Google My Business integration. On this page, you can turn off call tracking for your Google listing, as well as edit the welcome message that appears when somebody messages your page. You can also add the privacy policy URL. At the very bottom, you can disable GMB messaging, but this is not recommended as it will disconnect any messaging coming to your inbox here on the platform. When you've made any necessary changes, click Save. Next, we will connect your Facebook account. Click Connect under the Facebook integration, which will open up another pop-up. This will prompt you to allow Lead Connector to connect to your Facebook account. Follow the prompts to connect your account. Once connected, it will ask you which page you would like to connect. Click on the drop-down and select your page, and then click Connect Page. You will now see that your page is connected and you have some new options. Click on Messenger to access Facebook Messenger settings. By default, your settings will allow Facebook messages to the connected page to come into the platform. Here you can turn it off if you would prefer not to receive messages. However, this platform was designed to bring all of your conversations into one place where you can manage all of your leads, so we do not recommend turning this off. If you also wish to connect Instagram, you can click Learn More, which will take you to Instagram's instructions on connecting Instagram to your Facebook page. You will need to have a business Instagram account in order to do that. This concludes connecting your Facebook and Google accounts.